Welcome again to the topic integration. We want to see how to integrate the question we have on the board. Now, to integrate this, we want to derive shortcut that we can use to integrate it. So whenever we see a question on this, we use those shortcuts and integrate it. Now, to integrate it, to derive the shortcut, we now say, let the power be n. This simply means yes, this is equal to this. Why? This is cosec s, this is cosec s. So the power is 2, the power is n minus 2. So if you take their common base from law of indices and you add the power, it will give you power n. We say also that this, from our product rule, we say that here is our u and here is our dv. And product rule say that uv integration u dv equal to uv minus integration v du. Okay, then we now say what is our u? U is equal to cosec m minus 2x and cosec m minus 2x means cosec x all raised to the power of m minus 2. Okay, our dv equal to cosec squared x. Okay, that means if you this is differentiation of v already. So if you integrate it, you have v. Integration of this is equal to minus cos x. That is because differentiation of cos x, differentiation of minus cos x is cosec square x. So integration of this will give you this. Then what is our du? Du equal to differentiate this. Differentiate cosec x. It will be giving us minus cosec x cos x. Minus cosec x cos x. Okay, then write the power, then write cosec x all raised to power m minus 2 minus 1 m minus 3. So this will automatically be giving us m minus 2 bracket minus cosec x cos x bracket cosec m minus 2 m minus 3x. Now, because we have cosec x, so these two multiplying will be giving us m minus 2 bracket cos x, okay, times this minus cosec m minus 2x. Okay, this is cos. Okay, then that is our du. What we now do is that we say, okay, we'll call everything here a. We now say is equal to this. We say integration of cosec m minus 2x cosec squared x dx is equals to what is your uv? uv, that will be giving us minus cos x cosec m minus 2x. Okay, then we now say what will happen now is I say minus minus integration. What is your v? Minus cot x minus cot x. Then what is your du? Bracket m minus 2 cot x bracket minus cosec m minus 2x. Okay, so that is what we'll be getting. We now say minus times minus plus times minus minus integration. So we carry this m minus 2 out, integration. This times is cot square s bracket cosec cot square s cosec m minus 2x. Minus times minus plus times minus minus. Okay, now it is noted that 1 plus cot squared s is equal to cosec squared x. 1 plus cot squared s is equal to cosec squared x. So cosec squared s will be equal to cosec squared s, cot squared s will be equal to cosec squared x minus 1 equal to cot squared x. So we have cot squared s here. We come again, I will say minus m minus 2 integration cosec m minus 2x bracket cosec square s minus 1. Okay, we attach everything here. Okay, minus okay. Then what we now do is that we now use this two to multiply. That will be giving you, when you multiply this and this, you'll be having minus m minus 2 integration. They have the same thing, so it will be giving you cosec raised power n x. Then the whole of this times is plus n minus 2 integration cosec m minus 2x. Okay, we call this, we say minus cot x cosec m minus 2x. Okay, so we have to write this here. We have to write it again. We have to write it again. Then what we now do is that we call this our a, because say let everything here be our a. We now say everything here means this. So it means the whole of thing here means this. It means that a, what is here plus, or what is here minus, once it comes to the other side, plus m minus 2a equals to, I will write minus cot x cosec x m minus 2, then plus m minus 2 integration cosec m minus 2x. So what we do is we factorize a bracket 1 plus m minus 2. That will be giving us minus cot x cosec m minus 2 x plus m minus 2 integration cosec m minus 2x. So if you subtract, you'll be having m minus 1. So use n minus 1 you get here to multiply, to divide everything. You have your a bracket n minus 1 equals to everything here. Okay, so what we now do is divide everything by m minus 1, divide everything by m minus 1, divide everything by m minus 1. So if you do that, this will cancel this. You'll be having that a will remain, a equals to minus cot x cosec m minus 2x all over m minus 1 plus m minus 2 over m minus 1 integration cosec m minus 2x. Okay, so this is a final answer. You will say this is a final answer. So this is the shortcut you have to use to integrate when you have cosec. Now let's see how we can use it to solve the question we have on the board. We now say using the shortcut integration, using this shortcut integration cosec raised to power 4 x, the x is equal to minus cot x cosec 4 minus 2 squared x all over 4 minus 1 3 plus 4 minus 2 4 minus 1 3 integration 4 minus 2 cosec squared x. Now the question now is, when you integrate cosec squared x, what will it give us? Remember that when you differentiate cot x minus cot x, it will give you cosec squared x. So when you differentiate this, you get this. Then the implication is that when you integrate this, you get this. So integration of this will be given me minus, I say when you differentiate cosec squared x, you have, when you differentiate cot x, we have minus cosec squared x. So when you integrate this, you'll be having this. So the implication is that when you are to integrate this, when you are asked to integrate this, you will say integration of cosec squared x will be equals to minus cot x. Okay, so cosec squared x equal to minus cot x. So the implication is that when you integrate this, you will be having minus cosec x. Integration of this is minus cosec x. So what we now say is that, finally, this is equal to minus cot x cosec squared x all over 3 plus, okay, this integration of this minus cot x, that will be giving you 2 over 3 bracket minus cot x. Now remember that cosec squared x is equals to 1 plus cos squared x. Cos squared x, cosec squared equal to 1 plus cos squared x. So I will remove this and put 1 plus cos squared x. That will be giving me, I will remove this, minus cos x bracket 1 plus cos squared x (1 plus cos squared x) all over 3. Then this is minus 2 over 3 cos x. So this times this will be giving us minus cos x over 3. This times this will be giving us minus cos raised to power 3x all over 3. Okay? So what you now do is this times this is this times this is this, minus times plus is minus, then minus 2 over 3 cos x plus c. So that is your answer for the integration of this. Then you go to the last question, integrate cosec raised to power of 6x. So what we do is that we say integration of cosec raised to power of 6x simply means we go to our formula, look at our formula, our shortcut, minus cos x, then 6 minus 2 cosec raised to power 4x all over 6 minus 1, 5. You have this, then say plus 6 minus 2, 4, 6 minus 1, 5, integration cosec 6 minus 2, 4x. So what we now do is that we have integrated this to have this. So you now package and you now say this is equal to minus cos x cosec raised to power 4x all over 5 plus 4 over 5 bracket. I will now put minus cos x all over 3 minus cos x all over 3. Then I will also say minus cos raised to power 3x all over 3. I will also say minus 2 over 3 cos x. Okay. So what we now do at the end is you now say, let me sort out. I will now say, finally, my answer will be minus cos x cosec raised to power 4x all over 5 plus, okay, this times is minus 4 cos x all over 15, okay, then this times is minus 4 cos raised to power 3x all over 15, okay, then this times is minus 8 all over 15 cos x, then you say plus c. So that is the final answer to integration of cosec raised to power 6x. Please see the next video to see how to integrate cos to raised power of any number x dx. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to click like button as you enjoy the class and click subscribe. See you in the next class.